Welcome to Motivational World, and today we are going to take circle topic of mathematics class 10, and we are going to take very important theorem, that is PA multiplied by PB is equal to PT square. So here it is, if PAB is a secant, you can see in this diagram, if PAB is a secant to the circle intersecting at A and B, and PT is a tangent, then we have to find out PA multiplied by PB is equal to PT square. So we have to prove this theorem. Yes, we have to prove this theorem. So here what we are going to do first, one thing I want you to first understand, what is the main difference between secant and tangent. Secant means secant intersect the circle at least minimum of two distinct points. Okay, so you must have that question in your mind that chords are secants or not. Yes, chords are secant, but when extended. Okay, so same way, what about now tangent? Tangent means which touches the circle at one point. So PT is a tangent and PAB is a secant. So now main differentiation between a secant and tangent is clear to my all students. So now whenever we write any theorem, so our first point is to write down given things. So what is given? Given thing, it means what is given to you in the question. Okay, what is given to you in the question? It is your theorem you have to prove. PAB is a secant intersecting the circle with center O. You can see here at A and B, and a tangent PT is given which touches the circle at point T. So we have to prove that PA into PB is equal to PT square. Here we need to do one construction to prove this particular theorem, that we have taken this OM perpendicular to this AB. Yes, and then what we have done, we have drawn this OM perpendicular to AB, and then OA, OP, and then OT. We are going to join them, and now we are going to do proof. So how we are going to do? We know that firstly we have to find out what is the left hand side of this theorem, PA into PB. So we will find out the value of P, we will find out the value of PB. So from this diagram you can see here that PA into PB will be what? So you can see here PA is equal to PM minus AM. So you can see, if you want to find out PA, it will be your PM full, yes, complete line, minus AM. If you will subtract this is your P, this is your M, and here it is your A. So if you want to find out PA, it will be your PM minus AM. Same way, if you want to find out PB, it will be equal to your PM plus MB. So here instead of MB, we can write down here AM also. Yes, so it will become your PM plus AM. It will become your PM plus AM. So here you can write down plus. Okay, so PM plus AM, it will be PB, and PA is equal to PM minus AM. So here we can see AM and MB, they both are equal, because we can see that OM is your perpendicular to AB, divides AB into two equal parts. So now we will put the value of PA and PB together. So we know PA is equal to PM minus AM. We have put the value. What is PB? It is PM plus AM. So we can see here it is which formula? A minus B, A plus B at this step. Okay. So it will become A square minus B square, that is PM square minus AM square. And now till here we have understood each and everything. Now you can see if OM is perpendicular to AB, as we know. So we can see here, we can easily apply Pythagoras theorem. So if we find out value of PM square, this is the diagram. So here it is your P, here it is your O, here it is your M. So if we want to find out here PM square, it will be your OP square minus, it will be your OP square, this is minus, okay, OP square minus OM square. Same way, if we want to find out this AM square, it will become your OA is here, so it will become OA square minus OM square. You can see here it is minus. So this way, now instead of this PM square, we know PA into PB is equal to PM square minus AM square. So now we are going to keep the value of PM square, that is this one which we have just found out from here. So we have kept the value. In between we have minus sign here, and now we are going to keep the value of AM square. So now we are going to open the bracket and it will become here OP square, OM square, OA square and OM square, and minus minus it will become plus. So now we are going to cut which one? This OM and this minus OM will be cut, and we are left with OP square minus OA square. And we know OA and OT, they both are radii. Okay, plural of radius is radii. So OA can be replaced by OT square, and we know OP square minus OT square. If we take the Pythagoras theorem, according to that we can say it is equal to the hypotenuse, that is PA into PB is equal to PT square, and this way we have proved the theorem. So this way you have to remember that this is very important theorem. So you have to first understand how to draw secant, how to draw tangent. Then you are going to take left hand side, and then you will be finding out the right hand side part, that what is PA and what is PB. You will take its value. There will be one formula of A square minus B square, and then accordingly you are going to put the value of this PM square and AM square. And once you have put the values of PM square and AM square, then automatically after doing all the calculation you will be getting this PT square at the end. So what I want students, again it's my humble request to you all, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it, you can like it, you can share it to your close groups, yes, so that they can also get benefited. Yes, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified timely with the revision part. God bless you everyone. Thank you all. Stay blessed.